how to buy PIPPKIN, the horse token. So this token came under the symbol of PIPPKIN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see before, go on and buy this token. As you can see, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the community. As you can see, they have 6,000 members there, almost to 7,000. So this token is available on Mexc, so make sure to log in to your account on Mexc. If you don't have an account on Mexc, just scroll down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mexc on it to benefit from yours. And after that, what you need to do, just log into your account and type here in the search PIPPKIN like that. So as you can see, this is our token. And now make sure to select the spot here or futures, any option that you want to buy or you prefer to buy with. So as you can see, and make sure to select the pair that have USDT, just click on it. And after that, wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. As you can see, this is the page that you can buy this token on it. So now what you need to do, just here, you can now just type the amount that you want to buy with that token, or you can just type how much you want to buy of that token like that. So you can just type on it. I will just can now type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay for that token to be able to buy it. So after that, click on buy PIPPKIN and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy PIPPKIN token. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.